AI micro-influencers are a new side hustle where you build a realistic virtual creator. You post short talking head videos and monetize them through TikTok, YouTube, and even Etsy products. This video article walks you through the concept, the tools, and a simple workflow. You can start from $0 using free AI apps. AI micro-influencers are photorealistic characters that look like regular people. They share niche tips and build a small but loyal audience on platforms like TikTok and YouTube. Instead of filming yourself, you use AI to generate the face, videos, and even the voice. You control the scripts and monetization behind the scenes. The winning format right now is short montage videos. These are several 4-8 second clips stitched together where the AI influencer delivers quick, punchy tips to camera. These clips feel like real selfie videos. This makes them perfect for relatable niches such as parenting, money, lifestyle, fitness, or productivity. TikTok's Creator Rewards program pays eligible creators a share of ad revenue on videos that are at least 1 minute long. Talking head content can earn high RPMs. In the video, a creator example reportedly earned about 1.20 USD per 1,000 views. This means a 3.7 million view TikTok could make roughly 3,700 USD from ad revenue alone. On top of that, the same AI influencer clips can be reposted as YouTube videos to earn ad revenue. They can also drive traffic to digital products. One featured example shows an AI stay-at-home mom influencer who built a following with parenting tips. Then she monetized by selling planners and Canva templates on Etsy. She generated over 2,000 USD in a month. The key idea is to treat each AI influencer as a small brand with niche value. Then stack income from platform payouts, digital products, and potentially affiliate links. To create the influencer's face, the video uses Leonardo AI with its Flux model. This model specializes in photorealistic images. Flux can be used with daily free credits, making it accessible for beginners. You write a detailed prompt describing the character. For example, age, setting, clothing, tired or imperfect skin, freckles. You specify selfie framing to get a realistic smartphone feel. Once you like a result, you upscale and download it. You can reuse either the same image or Leonardo's reference image feature. This allows you to create more shots of the same influencer in different scenes for future videos. Next, you move into a language model like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to write your script. Because Google's video generator currently creates clips just under 8 seconds, the script should be broken into multiple short lines. Each line should fit into one 4-8 second video clip. If you plan to monetize with TikTok Creator Rewards, you ask the AI to write at least 1 minute of total content. This content should be divided into these micro clips. For YouTube or Etsy-focused content, the total length can be more flexible. But the same short clip structure keeps the pacing tight and makes montage editing easy. With your image and script ready, you use Google's VEO3 inside the Gemini interface to generate video clips. Gemini Pro currently offers a free 1-month trial. This allows users to generate about 3 short VEO3 videos per day at no cost. Inside Gemini, you select the videos with VEO3 tool. You upload your AI influencer image, paste one script segment, and write a brief prompt. This tells the model to keep the video photorealistic with natural lighting, subtle eye movements, and an appropriate emotional tone. Each request produces a short talking head clip. By repeating this process with new script lines, you gradually build a bank of 4-8 second AI influencer clips for your montage. Once you have several clips, you import them into CapCut, an AI-powered video editor with a free tier. You create a new project, drop all your clips on the timeline, and then clean them up using jump cuts. You remove silences and awkward pauses so the influencer's delivery feels punchy and natural. The editing process is simple. You slice at the moment the influencer starts talking. You delete dead air, then slice again after each line and delete the extra silent segments. After trimming all clips, you rearrange them into a logical order. This creates a 20 to 60 second montage where your AI influencer fires off multiple quick, relatable tips.